Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14. This is a Hypersports motorcycle, folks. 1400 cc's, inline 4, fuel injection. This is the acceleration king. Come by, check it out. Gorgeous condition. Blue metallic paint scheme. Stock in every way. This bike is in beautiful condition. Comes with the rear seat cowl. You can pop that off when you take your passenger for a ride. I hope they can hold on tight. Come by, check it out. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Only 9,463 miles. $74.99. This thing is a beast. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.